So very good evening, and today I would be conducting a group discussion. और इस समय मैं लंदन के एक ऑडिटोरियम में बैठा हुआ हूं। मैं लंदन आया हुआ हूं, कोई हंसने की बात नहीं है। ये अभी आपको वीडियो पे दिख जाएगा। मैं अमेरिका से लंदन आ गया हूं और ये देख सकते हैं आप लोग वीडियो में साफ साफ। ज़्यादा हंसने की बात नहीं है। इस समय हम लंदन में हैं, तो कल परसों में मेरी वापसी हो जाएगी। बट स्टिल आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड अभी भी कुछ बच्चों ने वीडियो नहीं ऑन किया है, कोई बात नहीं। आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू सी यू पीपल एंड ऑडियंस भी आज मेरे सामने मौजूद है, लाइव एंड नॉन लाइव ऑडियंस। वेरी गुड। ओके क्लास, सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट दिस सेशन, ये देखिए मेरी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस हैं। मेरी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस इस तरीके से होती हैं, जो कि मेरा ऑफलाइन का बैच मैं ओपनली डिक्लेयर कर रहा हूं। 1 जुलाई ये देखिए, ये यूट्यूब में पोस्ट होने वाला है। 1 जुलाई से तरुण सर का ऑफलाइन बैच भी स्टार्ट हो रहा है। याद रखिएगा, ऑनलाइन बैच आपका चलता रहेगा, लेकिन तरुण सर का ऑफलाइन बैच 1 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है चंदर नगर आलमबाग में, और इसकी टाइम की जानकारी आपको दे दी जाएगी, डोंट वरी। तो आप लोग इन बच्चों के साथ शामिल हो सकते हैं। इस तरीके से मैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन लिया करता हूं, समझ गए ना। सो टुडेज जीडी टॉपिक, एवरीवन, आई होप एवरीवन इज रेडी। सब लोगों को अपना ओपिनियन देना पड़ेगा, सब लोग पार्टिसिपेट करिए। द जीडी टॉपिक इज, शुड इंडियन गवर्नमेंट बैन, ये किसका सिंबल है? जल्दी बताइए, ये किसका सिंबल है? अरे बाप रे बाप, अरे बाप रे, वेरी गुड। ये जरूर याद है, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इंस्टा। अभी मैं पूछ लूंगा किताब का नाम तो नहीं बता पाओगे। बताइए, इंग्लिश के 3 बहुत बड़े राइटर्स का नाम बताइए, बताइए जरा, देखें बता पाते हो कि नहीं।
रस्किन बॉन्ड,
बस केवल एक रस्किन बॉन्ड, बस यही विलियम शेक्सपियर। केवल 2 याद हैं, रस्किन बॉन्ड, विलियम शेक्सपियर, खत्म। चलिए खैर, ओके क्लास, ओके, very good, thank you so much, and today we are going to start the session. My group discussion has 3 rounds. Number 1, opinion round. Everyone will have to present their opinion. So without wasting time, first of all, Tarun sir is going to present his opinion and then everyone will have to speak. अगर बच्चे हैं मेरी क्लास में इस समय कम से कम 14 स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी गुड। सो सबको अपना ओपिनियन देना पड़ेगा। Everyone will have to present his or her opinion. Okay, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to present my opinion on a very strong topic, which is, should India ban these sites like Facebook, Insta, Twitter? Yes, India should ban them. ख्वाहिश, अपना opinion present करो।
No sir, they should not be banned.
They should not ban it. Pranav, present your opinion.
Sir, the Indian government should not ban these apps such as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.
अच्छा, Indian government should not ban. Yes, Tanu.
Good evening to all of you. According to me, Indian government should ban these social media.
Priyanshi Garg.
Good evening to all. In my opinion, India should ban all these apps.
Priyanshi 11th.
So India shouldn't ban this.
India shouldn't ban this. Akarshika.
Sir, India shouldn't ban this.
India shouldn't ban these. Actually, a plural hai. So these. दीपक कुमार पटेल, गुजरात वाले, 12th साइंस भी, ओपिनियन दीजिए अपना।
Sir, according to me, India should not ban this.
India should not, very good. India should not ban these applications लेकिन सरकार तो पीछे पड़ गई है ट्विटर के, कोई नहीं रोक सकता आप ट्विटर को जाने से। यहां से बहुत ज्यादा पंगा ले लिया ट्विटर ने तो। यस तन्मय, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन?
Sir, according to me, India shouldn't ban this.
इंडिया शुडेंट बैन दीज। तनिष्क आनंद।
Good evening, everyone. According to me, Indian government should not ban these apps.
निखिल अग्रवाल।
So, in my opinion, Indian government should not ban these apps. That is Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Excellent, excellent. Very nice way of presenting your opinion. नरेंद्र कुमार दुबे जी। नरेंद्र दुबे नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं। अच्छा,
यस सर, हैं हम।
हैं। यस, प्रेजेंट योर ओपिनियन बेटा।
So, in my opinion, India can't ban this app, but instead of this, make a new Indian app of social
Okay,
media
wait. हाँ, save your points. अभी second round में चल रहे हैं। Save your points in the meanwhile. चेतन।
The Indian government shouldn't ban these apps. Twitter, Facebook,
शाश्वत।
Instagram.
Sir, in my opinion, Indian government should ban these apps.
श्रिया मौर्य। Should India ban these applications or not? Shriya Maurya.
Yes, sir.
They should ban. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट हैं इस नाम से, ये कोई चाइनीज कोड नजर आ रहा है, 57666543। यस, योर ओपिनियन। Yes, your name and your opinion. 57666543, Chinese code. Opinion नहीं देना है, कोई बात नहीं। चलिए, let's start with the second round. Okay, class. Now we are going to start with the second round. Okay, class. First round, opinion round हमने दे दिया. That's it. Now we would be supplementing or we would be contradicting each other's point. सब लोग तैयार हो? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, excellent, fine. 1, 2, 3. Second round of the group discussion starts. Who wants to speak?
Sir, may
Yes, Akarshika, please start. Please start करिए.
Sir, India should not ban these apps, Twitter, Insta, and other application, because there are some people who do not read the newspaper and watch the news. So the only way to know the news, they use for them the only way to know the news by the social media.
Contradict her or supplement her. She is saying that India shouldn't ban these applications because these applications are only a source of gaining information, a source of spreading information. So I would request someone to either supplement her or speak against her point. Akarshika, mute yourself.
So I want to support her by saying that many people are also there. They do their business through these apps, or some people are there that they make videos on YouTube, Instagram, etc. They gain money from these apps only.
I would like to speak against your point. Now it is not the matter of money. It is the matter of prestige, protection, security, and privacy. India cannot forgive anyone for all this. Our data can be leaked at any point of time. We have already seen that many of them hacking Twitter application, Twitter website, Twitter ID. So it's enough now. Now India should take a decision as it took a decision for TikTok. Contradict Tarun sir. Contradict Tarun sir.
Sir, according to me, TikTok is only the waste of time. But sir, other social media and applications are good for people because sir, because who are jobless due to some social media app, they are able to do jobs and feed his family.
Yes, other boys in the class, come in the GD.
So these apps are mainly made for the people that so that they can present their opinions and views for any topic or for against the government or for the government. But by banning this app, they are also removing the Article 19, that is right for freedom of opinion and expression. So by banning this is not good for the people.
I would again contradict his point by saying that you should correct your facts and figures. In today's date, people are only against all this, specifically parents. There are many children who are spoiling their career in all these. And in today's date, we have come to the notice that instead of becoming doctor, engineer, architect, lawyer, instead of becoming a very big professional in the society, people are preferring to become a YouTuber. People are preferring to become very famous on these applications. This will not work for long term. Shashwat, come in the GD. Shashwat, come in the GD.
So should I speak?
Yes, please speak.
So YouTube can also be opted as a optimum career. If you are good at your job, then what's the problem doing YouTube?
What is the problem in setting up your career on YouTube? जो बच्चे अभी लॉगिन किए हैं, ओके जो बच्चे अभी लॉगिन किए हैं उनके लिए मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, today's group discussion topic is should these applications be banned in India? देख लीजिए स्क्रीन पर, should Facebook, Insta, Twitter, LinkedIn be banned in India? So my point is that yes, these applications should be banned in India because there is no future in all this. I would like to contradict by saying that, have you ever seen a teacher on YouTube earning more than someone who is abusing on YouTube? Tell me the name of a teacher जिसका नाम गाली देने वाले से ज्यादा फेमस हुआ. बताइए जरा.
सर खान सर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? क्या बात कर रहे हो? क्या उनका नाम सच बताना आशीष चंचलानी से ज्यादा फेमस है? यस और नो, ईमानदारी से. Tell me.
Sir, in education world, it is
No. I would disagree. I would disagree with this. Ashish Chanchalani, Karin Amati, जो भी हैं, these people have touched heights. Oh my God. Sorry to say, this is demotivating the society. Nikhil, speak against my point. क्या बात है बच्चों?
If we see in the educational feed on YouTube, so then Khan sir is more. So if we see in the comedy, then there. So we should not mix the both things.
We cannot mix both the things, but beta, it is a kind of demotivation to others. अगर मैं अभी कहूँ,
Sir, how is it a demotivation? Sir, if you work hard on a platform,
okay,
which is uprising and going down, sir, you will get the result, such as Karimati and
okay, my dear. If you work on a platform, now give me this answer. Tell me the name of any Hindi teacher who can earn lakhs of rupees on YouTube platform. बताइए, मान लो हिंदी का टीचर है, उसको YouTube पर अपना नाम बनाना है. बताइए, I would like to speak against your point. बोलिए जरा. अरे वो छोड़िए, मैं अपनी बात बताऊं. मैंने अपनी जान लगा के रख दी YouTube के अंदर. वो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं 826. क्या कर लिया मैंने? बताइए. क्योंकि मैं गाली नहीं देता, इसी वजह से मेरे इतने कम सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं. क्या बात करते हो?
A child goes on YouTube to study if he is not satisfied with the study of school or coaching.
अरे मेरे बच्चों, मेरे पास 10,000 बच्चों से ज्यादा हैं. क्या बात कर रहे हो? और मेरे खुद के सब्सक्राइबर्स 826. तो इसका मतलब मेरे अंदर कमी है कोई. YouTube ने मेरे को अपनी ही कमी याद दिला दी.
Sir, बहुत बच्चे, many children study during the school time. So they don't need YouTube to study.
They don't need YouTube, but I would like to say that these platforms are killing the talent of many. Okay, Shashwat, come in the GD. Shashwat, GD में आइए जरा.
Sir, I will support your point that you said many these apps are spoiling many futures.
Okay.
Sir, they are, because we see many of the time a child or a student being hand on the phone only, and very less they study.
They study very less. Okay. So are you supporting me or
Sir, I want to
I want to support.
wait. One by one. Priyanshi, first of all, your point. Priyanshi, your
I
point.
want to support the point by saying that yes, at least yes, the children who are of 2 years are now using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter on their parents' ID, and they are getting addicted to mobile phones, and their concentration is less on studies.
Okay. Khwaish, come in the GD.
So I want to contradict their point because by saying that there are many people that have finished their studies and they have become social media stars too. So their career in that only.
They are finding the career. This is you are contradicting your own point. Yes, Tanmay, what is your point? Tanmay, I'll give you a chance. Pranav, I'll give you a chance. Tanmay, let me allow others to speak. Yes.
Sir, I want to support your point that
thank you so much.
These apps are killing our talent, because we can see small childs stuck with the phone, and nobody is thinking about his eyes, his health, his addiction.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely. It is affecting the posture, gesture, everything. Diksha Pandey wants to come in the GD. Yes, Diksha.
So, the social media provides a global platform to express one's views and ideas without any reservation or biasness.
Oh, very good. Priyanshi 11, come in the GD.
So I'm going to disagree with your point, as we are just seeing the negative side of these apps, but it's observed from the researches that every 9 out of 10 companies are impacting their material or online shopping through the
advertisement.
Oh, okay. Naren Dubey ji. Yes, what is your point?
Sir, I would like to support your point.
Akarshika, I'll give you a chance. Naren Dubey. Yes, what is your point?
I want to contradict because most of students
Okay, Naren, I would like to stop and interrupt you in between. Your network is not up to the mark. And Akarshika, come in the GD again.
Sir, I would like to support your point, sir. According to me, Khan sir is totally mad because
No, please, you need to mark your words. We cannot. Yes.
Sorry, sir. But
okay.
sir, the way he used to present himself in the video, student only make fun of them,
Okay, excellent.
the,
So you, I would like to support you. I think so. A common man can never be famous on YouTube unless and until he does a kind of a melodrama. These social applications require a melodrama. And this is what is ruining our Indian culture. This is against our Indian culture. Nikhil Kumar Agarwal, come in the GD.
Sir, I want to contradict the point of one girl who said that people are going addicted towards this app, and then we should ban this app.
Okay.
So, but banning this app is not the solution.
Then what is the solution? Tell me. How to cope up? Beta, आपकी आवाज रुक गई. Nikhil was contradicting a girl. So the same girl come and contradict Nikhil. Pranav, come in the GD.
Sir, I want to support Priyanshi's point that we are only seeing the negative side of these apps, but not the positive one. So many companies are investing their monies as an advertisement in Instagram, Twitter, and other apps, and they are earning lots of profit through them. As Instagram and Twitter
I
are
would like.
used
Okay.
are used to influence people about something.
I would like to bring in my point by saying that, sorry, we do not require this because I respect Indian talent. Now India should wake up and introduce its own application. Chetan wants to come in. Chetan, please come up with your point. Yes, Chetan.
Sir.
Wait, I'll give you a chance. Yes.
So the Indian government should not ban these apps because these apps are very helpful for us for studies purposes and for social medias and news.
For social media, they should not ban this. Akarshika wants to come in again. Very good participation.
Sir, there is no, sir, according to me, there is no such people in anyone's life except parents who will motivate you. But sir, sometimes parents motivate in such a way that the child will get demotivated. Then by the social media, there are some pages on social media that you get pleasure if you read and get motivated.
Counter her. Counter. In case if someone wants to counter her, then counter her point.
Sir, I want to supplement her point by saying that social media has created new avenues for learning and job creation which never existed before the advent of the social media.
Deepak Patel wants to come in with his point.
Sir, I would support these apps as these apps are fine on their stage. All the users spoils all their image. The government should improvise some restrictions, but should not ban the whole app.
Amazing.
One student fails in class, the teacher never stops his teaching, but he provides an extra effect.
Excellent way of presenting your point that we cannot straight away start banning these applications. We can only impose restrictions. But again, I would like to speak against your point by saying that, my dear gentleman, I am saying that India should now come up with its apps and the entire world should use and download it from Play Store. Everyone should download it from Play Store. हम लोग बार Zomato या Swiggy या Amazon क्यों डाउनलोड करें? हम Facebook, Insta क्यों डाउनलोड करें? We should download Indian applications now from Play Store. This is only my request from the Indian government. Indirectly, I'm requesting the Indian government that, come on, launch your social platform at any cost. Like we can bring Micromax into picture. We can bring Bajaj into picture. We can bring Tata, Reliance, Jio into picture. Then why not these applications? Yes, counter, Tarun sir. Any one of you, counter.
Sir,
I want to separate.
I just want to ask one question to you. That sir, you watched Avengers movie or not?
Yeah, I have watched Avengers and even I watched Thanos.
Okay, sir. And sir, you watched Flying Jet movie?
Flying Jet, yes.
Sir, so sir, you are able to see the difference between the Avengers and Flying Jet movie, because sir, Hollywood movies are better than Bollywood movies. This.
Come on. I would like to counter your point by saying that never question Indian talent. We can do anything. When we can discover moon on water, when we can discover zero, algebra, calculus, arithmetic, we can do anything. Remember this, today India is also a nuclear power country. So don't compare the movies and talk about technology. We are very high in terms of technology. We were the first one to bring in the vaccine. Remember this. And we supplied it all over the world. Yes, anyone else? Boys, come into the picture. We
Sir,
still
I
have
want to give a point by
one by
saying
one,
that
one by
there
one.
are
Khwahish.
many.
Khwahish, bolo.
Sir, I want to give a point that many people have that they have any emergency, but they don't have any that people specific people number, so they can open these apps and they can also chat or they can message or call at that platform also.
They can message and call on that platform. Yes, rest of you participate. Please participate.
Sir,
Yes.
I want to support your point by saying India is a very fast growing country and it can reach to top if we remain constant on certain apps and certain platforms such as Instagram of India, like that.
I would like to raise an example. These platforms are directly or indirectly creating violence, spreading rumors. You won't believe, from the social media platform, there is a rumor that has been spread recently. Nowhere schools are opening for students from 1st of July, and students have started to spread that schools for students, they are opening from 1st of July. Who said this? Social media said this, but neither our district magistrate nor chief minister, none of us said this. So this is what are the rumors being spread through social media platform. Priyanshi Garg wants to come up with, I'll come up to you. Priyanshi Garg is coming up with a second point. Yes. She has no second point. Koi baat nahi. Ravisha wants to come in. Ravisha.
In India, TikTok and 58 other apps were banned where they were harmful to the sovereignty and integrity of the India. But India never stepped back. They made many other apps like that to prove that India is never behind Indians. So we can do whatever they want.
Wow, what a point. TikTok and 58 other apps. Priyanshi Garg.
I want to support the point by saying that yes, India can do everything, as our Honorable Prime Minister has started Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat, and in that we have, and in that he had banned all Chinese products and apps too.
Absolutely.
I want to contradict by raising an example. Utilization of social media for general election by Prime Minister Narendra Modi played an imperative role in his success.
Excellent. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
Platforms such as Instagram and Twitter can also be used as a way to spread awareness against many diseases, COVID and other things in the ongoing world.
Tanu wants to contradict your point. Pranav, yes.
Like contradict sir's point, as people unintentionally fall into cyber crimes and provoking teenagers to commit suicides also.
Absolutely correct. Shashwat, come up with your second point. Tanmay, come up with your second point.
So I want to support her point by saying that these points are making people mentally not unwell. So they should be banned.
They should ban these applications. And yes, anyone else? Deepak Patel, do you want to come up with a second point? Yes. The first point quoted by you was awesome. Excellent point. Do you have a second point? Come up with it.
Sir, not really.
Not Chetan, come up with your point. Yes. Any second point? Anyone who wants to speak? Yes. Anyone who wants to speak can come in the
People
GD.
get addicted to the social medias, leads to mental stress and time killing also.
Absolutely correct. You won't believe, now I'm going to talk about youngsters. Youngsters, in order to look beautiful, they have started to do all stuff so that they can post good pictures on these social media and or these social applications, can you ever imagine that what they are doing with the money? They are spending hell lot of money on their face, on their skin, on their hair, and that too at the age of 14, 15, 16 specifically. Do you think that this is the age of spending money on your face, skin and hair? Have you ever purchased a book worth rupees 500? But very easily today, the youngsters, in order to look beautiful on social media, are spending on facial bleach. Shame on them.
Sir, people used to make friends on the social media apps, but at this time there is a feeling inside people that if someone is sad, they are happy seeing him sad. But some people
वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बोले हो बच्चे, अगर क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बोले हो बेटा, मैन ऑफ द मैच, बहुत अच्छा बोले हो, इतना अच्छा लगा गर्ल्स ने आज। हाँ हाँ, कोई और भी बोल रहा है, अभी भी बोल रहा है, क्या बात है, मैं एंड करने वाला हूँ।
We can be in touch of the people by these social media apps only.
Okay, Ravisha, yes.
If this is for safety of our Indian people, nation's people privacy, I'm totally agree and supportive to the government. Privacy and nation comes first for me, and then it was compared to these social media platforms.
Okay, excellent. Anyone else who wants to quote his or her point, because I'm about to end and conclude the group discussion, and this is how I'm going to conclude the discussion. मेरे साथ सब लोग audio mute.
My last point is that homegrown social media platform, who is the new version of Twitter, is it is the only platform that has so far accepted the center's intermediary guidelines.
Okay, now students, everyone unmute yourself. Learn how to conclude. Learn how to conclude a group discussion. मेरे साथ सब लोग conclude करेंगे. Okay, audience.
Okay, audience.
Okay, audience.
Now it's time to.
Now it's time to
conclude the group discussion.
The group discussion.
Every coin has two sides.
Two sides.
India should not ban.
India should not ban.
But restrict these applications. So it was wonderful participation from you all. Amazing participation. अपना ऑडियो म्यूट कर लीजिए सब लोग अब. Very good participation. You people have learned how to discuss. You people have learned how to present your opinion. Very good to see. सारे बच्चे इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे थे. हाँ, थोड़ा ग्रामर के एरर्स थे. I have avoided it. आज मैंने थोड़ा ग्रामर को नहीं ध्यान दिया, लेकिन गलतियां करी हैं, खासकर टेंसेस में. You people have committed mistake in the use of tenses. इसको सुधारिए. Even I will also take a test also one day of tenses. So don't worry, I am there. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 4:30 p.m. English grammar class. कल स्पीकिंग नहीं होगी, कल इंग्लिश ग्रामर का सेशन होगा, और ये सेशन भी आपका टेंसेस का ही होगा. सो जरूर 4:30 p.m. पे लॉग इन करिएगा. Do log in at 4:30 p.m. so that you can improve the use of tenses in your spoken English and written English. Thank you so much, class. God bless you all. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you so much.